Let's jump over to the Evaluations tab. I have the ability to delete evaluations by selecting something. This goes active and I can delete that evaluation or many evaluations. This resets the view like we showed on the Voice Files tab. If I make some changes, I can right click and it shows me this menu. If I clear the sorting, right click anywhere in here, right click here, it shows me that menu again. Let's look at the column chooser. I've got a couple other things here. I've got a created column and I've got a client column. Things of that nature. So I have all this information at my disposal, and I can sort by using pull method, client, updated. Let's say I want to have the session names alphabetized, etc. I've customized this. Every time I log in, I will see the same format. This button resets it to the default view. This button allows me to print a report on certain evaluations. If I select maintenance and repair, when I go over to this icon, I can print an evaluation report or I can print a note correlate chart. The last option here is I can rename this particular evaluation. The name of this is the same as the template I'm using for simplification of my analysis. By clicking this, it opens a window where I can rename maintenance and repair if I so wish. I just give it a new name and we're good to go. Let's go over to the Info tab and see what it has in store for us. There are no buttons in the Info tab. This is simply giving me information about the cover sheet that I created for my client. There is the flexibility of linking or unlinking symptoms to my client's folder. If I select indigestion, for example, I can unlink it if I wish. I can export these to the different formats. These are Excel files. This is an Excel file. I can make an image, etc. So there's lots of ways to export this list of symptoms for this particular client. If I want to change things in here, I can go to the Edit button and it sets me back to the client's cover sheet where I can change names, dates, location, notes, etc. It changes some of the buttons here. I can be working in here and just save what I have so far, or I can save and close, which will close this client's folder and send me back to my list of clients. Save and new will save and close this folder and then send me to a new template to create a new client folder. So in a way, this button is the same as this button, except that if I'm in the middle of working on this and have changed something, it will save and close what I've changed and then press this button for me.